In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects in Rank Math. A 301 redirect is a permanent move from one URL to another, and it's essential when you change a page's address, reorganize your site, or remove outdated content. Using a 301 tells search engines and visitors that the old address has moved for good, helping you preserve rankings, link equity, and a smooth user experience. Start in your WordPress dashboard and open the Rank Math SEO menu. Click Dashboard to see all available modules. Look for the Redirections module in the list. If it isn't enabled yet, click Activate. This turns on Rank Math's built-in Redirect Manager, so you don't need any extra plugins. Once it's active, you're ready to create your first redirect. Next, go to Rank Math SEO and select Redirections. This is where all your redirects will live. You'll see a clean interface that lets you add new rules and manage existing ones in one place. To create a redirect, click the Add New button at the top. You'll see a field labeled Source URL. This is where you enter the path of the old page you want to redirect. For most setups, enter just the path, not the full domain. For example, type old page rather than the entire URL. Keep the leading slash and make sure the path exactly matches the old address so Rank Math can catch it reliably. Now move to the destination URL field. This is the new page you want visitors to land on, such as New Page. Again, using the path is typically best when redirecting within the same website. Pick the most relevant new destination to keep users engaged and maintain context. Open the Redirection Type drop-down and select 301 Permanent Move. This tells search engines that the content has moved permanently, which helps consolidate ranking signals to the new URL. Avoid temporary types here if your change is meant to be permanent. Check that the status is set to active. This ensures the redirect will start working as soon as you save it. If status is off, the rule won't be applied. Finally, click Add Redirection to save. Your rule takes effect immediately, so traffic to the old URL will flow to the new one without any extra work. If you spot a typo later, you can return to this screen to edit or remove the rule. Setting redirects carefully helps prevent broken links, reduces 404 errors, and protects your SEO as your site evolves.